In every dental practice, accurate and efficient deposit management is essential to maintaining a healthy financial workflow. Without a clear deposit policy, accounting tasks can become unnecessarily lengthy, confusing, and any oversight to prevent embezzlement is likely neglected. Over the next several minutes, we're going to walk you through essential best practices for creating a streamlined deposit policy, covering how payments should be posted in your practice management software and how to efficiently handle deposits. To start, let's break down the difference between physical and virtual payment types. Physical payments are transactions made directly in person or received through the mail. This category includes cash, checks, and credit card payments that are processed over the counter by your team. On the other hand, virtual payments are entirely electronic. These payments post directly to your bank account without any physical interaction. Common examples include insurance electronic payments, third-party financing, or any other payments processed electronically with no front desk interaction. Now that we've defined the different payment types, let's discuss when these payment types should be posted to the patient ledger. When it comes to posting payments, timing is everything. The key is ensuring that payments are posted into your practice management software on the correct dates. For physical payments, you should post them as soon as they are received, whether that's over the counter or when opened from the mail. This ensures that payments are promptly and accurately recorded in your practice management software. For virtual payments, the best practice is to post them on the date they clear your bank. This means your office will need to regularly check the bank to see what deposits need to be posted for that day. Use the trace number from the bank deposit to search and post the corresponding payments. Treat these trace numbers as a checklist to ensure all payments are recorded for the day. For example, the bank's trace number for an electronic insurance payment will match the check number on the explanation of benefits. You should be able to search for all claims paid for a specific check number within your insurance portal or clearinghouse. If your bank doesn't list a trace number, don't worry. Most banks offer an electronic deposit information report that can be sent to you daily, providing you all the information needed. Reach out to your banker if this is the case. It's essential that these deposits are posted on the same date in both the bank and the practice management software to avoid timing discrepancies. Now that you've mastered payment types and posting timing, let's shift our focus to the essential steps for accurately posting deposits in the practice management software. When posting insurance electronic payments, always include the check number in the practice management software. This may alternatively be a field called the document number or reference number within the practice management software. This number is vital for matching payments posted in your practice management software against deposits in the bank. Some practice management softwares may require this field to be completed, but if your practice management software doesn't require this field, we urge you to require it in your standard posting process. Next, let's cover the important task of handling physical deposits, specifically how to take physical deposits, such as cash and checks, to the bank. It's crucial that the way you deposit cash and checks aligns with how they were recorded in your practice management software. Do not use patient cash payments for petty cash or other purposes. Always deposit exact amounts received. Note that petty cash should always be a separate cash withdrawal from the bank. If you receive both cash and checks on the same day, you have two options. You can deposit both payment types together as a single deposit, or you can make two separate deposits, one for cash and one for checks. While you can choose either option, the most important factor here is consistency. Make sure you pick one method and stick with it across all your deposits. This will prevent confusion and errors when recording your records. If your office uses a virtual check scanner, then the process becomes more defined for you. You'll scan your checks daily and then take any physical checks to the bank separately. In the event your check scanner breaks, continue to deposit checks and cash separately. Our next key policy for bank deposits is to never commingle deposits from different days. Commingling deposits from different days, such as combining Mondays and Tuesdays cash together, can create confusion and make it difficult to reconcile accounts. Always keep deposits for each day separate, and this will maintain the integrity of the financial records. Now, just because you have to separate deposits by day, that does not mean you necessarily have to go to the bank daily. Daily deposits are preferred, but if not possible, make separate deposits for each day's collections. For example, let's say you've collected cash on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but not Thursday or Friday. If you're making a single trip to the bank on Friday, you should prepare 3 separate deposit slips in advance of going to the bank. One for Monday's cash, one for Tuesday's cash, and one for Wednesday's cash. This practice allows you to consolidate your trips to the bank while maintaining organized records. Be sure to ask your bank for extra deposit slips to keep at the practice so you can easily complete them at the end of each day without worry of running out of them. When you go to the bank, you'll have everything pre-grouped by the correct days, making the entire process quicker and smoother. By following these simple yet effective processes, your dental practice can ensure a clean, efficient deposit policy. This not only reduces errors, but also helps streamline accounting, saving valuable time and effort. Of course, there may be special cases where payment types require unique policies, or if your banking structure presents specific challenges. In these instances, don't hesitate to reach out for additional guidance tailored to your practice's needs.